Okay, so what's our next problem? Find the value of x. X is right there. I hate Wonder, I really do. I hate it a lot. Hi, yeah, this is my thing. Instead of just like mini bowling all the time, I figured I'd try something a little different. So this is going to be the start of a new series. We are going to be beating all of the Saints and Sinners in Saints and Sinners bowling. I'm doing this because it has come to my very attention that you guys like my Saints and Sinners bowling video. It has over 1.6K views. I checked to see this on my phone this morning. Enough talk. We are going to get into this video. Wait, before we do, I'm going to have to ask you one little bitty itty favor. If you could just roll the ball and hit that subscribe button like a bowling pin, and just freaking hit that notification bell as well too. It'll be a strike. Okay, and here we are. So where should we start? We should start here, because this is the first alley that I unlocked. Meg Blunt. Apparently it appears she's a softball player, but she just transferred to bowling for some odd reason. You won't win this time. I'm gonna beat you. Just know I'm gonna win the bet. I'm the best pitcher. I ain't ask you that.
Yeah, boy.
Thank you, Mrs. Obvious. Wow. Do not let Jeremiah, he's just so real.
Nice throw.
Is turkeyed a word?
Nice throw.
Yup. I sure am winning. Yep. Payback is ain't it? Ain't it? Ain't it? Okay, I'm gonna try and strike out.
Nice throw.
Okay. What happened? You just got kicked in your chest. Okay. So, Meg Blunt. That's one. Susanna. Okay. Susanna, she's... said she wasn't that good. Okay. The heck?
It was going crazy over there.
Nice throw.
Dang, it just threw a temper tantrum. That man just threw a whole temper tantrum. Okay.
Yeah, boy.
Phil was all that. Now that's the Cracker Jack. Okay. And then she disappears. Dun, 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 dun. Wait, is that correct?
So I had 227,805. And Meg, the egg, took $5,000 away from me. So, therefore, I have 222,800. Okay, we're gonna get a strike, boys.
Man, what the fuck is you talking?
What's that?
I'm sorry, man.
I want what I said. Yeah, $50, thank you. Completely ironic, I get a strike for a very small amount of money. But then, when it's $5,000 instead of $50, I ended up with what I had before that. Because it's like the stakes are high and it's pressured. You're pressured. I'm done with
About
it.
to go
I'm
hard
done.
on this shit.
Sorry, I just had a heart attack. Oh my gosh.
Nice throw.
If I did not make that spare, which I almost didn't, that strike would not exist. That strike that I just got now would not exist.